Hi guys, this is Live with you from aeschoolonline.com. This course is all about After Effects. It's about motion graphics, visual effects, compositing, putting them all together, putting all the effects together and coming up with awesome videos. I really want you to get the utmost benefit from this course. If you have any questions, post them in the Q&A section of this course, of the dashboard. I will be there. I will answer them all. I'll be very ready to help you to become the expert you want to become. I know that some instructors will just throw a course online, forget about it. No, I want to take care of you. I want to be with you, and I want you to take the utmost benefit. So please post your questions, send me messages. Don't worry, I have time. I only do After Effects. You know, guys, when you're learning a software such as After Effects, that is big, complicated, and has so many details, you really don't want to start learning all the details, all the teeny tiny bits, so you can start creating at least your first animation. I find it boring. What you want to do now is to jump in, to start creating your first animation. I know maybe you don't know anything. It really doesn't matter. Just be with me, jump in, and let's create your first animation to give you the courage, the power, and an entertainment to start creating great animations. See you there.